Okay guys, we've made it to our destination. Rode on the lake. My partner's already gone out trolling. I'll show you the little campsite we got here. He picked up a new trailer. It's working out pretty good. There's his setup. Here's my lonely beer cooler in the back corner there in the shade. And then there's my accommodations for the night. Hopefully I'm not going too fast. There's my quad. And there's my boat. So I just got to put the motor on, and this is our view for the weekend. It's the long weekend in September. So yeah, so we drove, there we go. So we drove in on the quads. It's about an hour drive into here from the main road, and it's about an hour drive in from the highway to where we parked the trucks. So we're up in the Temagami Lake area, and we will be sitting here till it's Friday. We got here just after lunch, and I'm here the whole Monday morning. So I'll bring you back a few times, and as the weekend progresses. I made a big mistake, and I actually forgot my helmet. So I had to stop at Canadian Tire and pick a new one up. It's got a cheapie. But the GoPro mount, I usually mount it to the front of my helmet cubby style. But I couldn't do that today. And the ride in was pretty cool. One of the rivers was overflowing, and the water's gone up a foot from when we came and found this place last week. So on the way back, we're going to stop. If the water's still high, I'll break out the Canon here, and I'll film us crossing it somehow. And we'll bring you back for that for sure. Got my little boat. So we get the motor on it, get out there, and try and get some walleye for tonight. Have a little fish fry. So I'll bring you back when we're back from fishing. We did catch some fish, so we're having a fish fry here at night. I don't know, it's around 10 o'clock. It's on the Friday night. Using the quad for lights. Got the fire going. Rob's making us some his specialty Cajun fish crisp. Bit of lemon in it. So we're gonna try that. It's been a good day. Everything went wrong that could go wrong this morning, but it was a good day. So, and I know the camera's not going to show it. No, probably not. But there's a billion stars out tonight. Pretty cool. Pretty cool, guys. So we'll touch base either tomorrow again, and we'll see what we get into tomorrow. It's supposed to rain the next 2 days though, so I don't know how much I'm going to be able to film, but we'll try and film something for you. Does not want to focus. There we go. Again, beautiful night. Good morning, guys. This is what we woke up to. Not much else to say. Got some breakfast on, some coffee on, and we're gonna go fishing again. Just making the morning coffee. And I need a wider angle lens. That's where we're at today. And we're out of gas. Got to paddle across the bay, guys. Right, just on the other side of that island's my campsite. Made a miscalculations in gas mileage. Oh well. And you can hear, I don't know if you can hear it, but there's a thunderstorm coming in. Oh, fuck. Okay, I better get at her. Well guys, I just made it in. Just made it in. I just got off the boat, got my shoes off, about to change into my rain suit, and I guess thank my prayers, because if it took me 5 minutes more, I would have been in this. Let's show you the lake there. Oh, there we go. Yeah, so again, yeah, you can see the island across there behind the quad. I paddled from the end of that island back maybe about 45 minutes. Because yeah, I didn't put gas in the boat because I thought I had enough. Severe thunderstorm warning. Let's see how wet I get. My buddy there, he's on the other side of the lake. He's picking up a buddy who's coming in, so they're hunkered down with no tent somewhere. Oh, there's the lightning. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so I'm having a cracker bar all over my face, and I keep looking at the thing. It's weird. Yeah, it's September 1st. Probably said that already, but depending on how I edit the video, we're up in the Temagami area again, somewhere off of Rabbit Lake Road. It's a very nice spot, but we're getting torrential downpours. And the problem we have is when we came in yesterday, you have to cross a creek, and that creek was up a foot from the weekend before because of the rain. And my buddy there, his quad's smaller than mine, and he barely made it through. And now we're just getting to dumping. Well, I might be stuck out here in the wilderness. I'll just keep making videos as long as the battery holds out. At one end of the lake I can get cell phone reception. Where I am now, I can't get anything. So that is what it is. Well guys, I'll try to stop looking at the screen and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If the lightning starts again, I'll film that again for you too. Shut the camera off and then it started lightning and thunder. I turned it on, it stopped. Maybe I'll just leave the camera on. Oh, jeez. Nice. Funny thing is I can hear a boat. As soon as the lightning stops there, I'm gonna go try and fish. When I came in, the fish were jumping right like oh, there we go, guys. 2001, 2002, 2003. I might be getting a little bit further away. Yeah, hopefully it was just the storm moving in that we get, and the rest of it. Oh, running out of battery, I think. Okay, I'll shut it off there and get back to you guys. Well, hello. Okay, you guys, we're on day 2. There we go. And we're sitting here fishing. And that guy's 25 feet from me. Hopefully he got in focus. Again, I'm not used to these digital SLRs, so forgive the filming. Hopefully it'll get better with time. But this is where we are today, guys. Hey guys. Yeah, so got ourselves a bass here. This is hard to film with the phone and net this sucker. So I'll put it down and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Morning, guys. It's Monday, so we're packing up, heading back to civilization. Got lots of bass. Didn't see any walleye at all, so we're gonna try another lake next time. So I'll bring you along for that. What do we got in the background here? Well, there's the lake. I've already got the boat up on the quad, getting ready to go. My partner's gonna drop his. My partner. Not that there's anything wrong with that. My buddy is going to drop his friend off at the other end of the lake, and then he's coming back, and we're going to load everything up and head out. I will film that excursion for you as best I can when we get to the river crossing, because we got a lot of rain this weekend. I don't know if we're making it past the river, so we'll see what happens. So I'll bring you back as soon as I can, and I'll try to stop looking at the screen. It's my first time filming with a flippy screen. It's mesmerized like a deer in a headlight. Look at the screen. Stupid. Anyways, we'll see what happens. I don't even know if this is going to turn out, but whatever. So I'll give you a tour of the lake here again. So this is where we were. Flip the screen over so I can see what the hell I'm talking about. There's a little island over there. That's got a camp spot. So if we ever come in here and someone actually beats us here, we can go over to that campsite. Hopefully there's no wind noise in this thing. I didn't bring out the microphone, but there's not much wind today, so. And again, a little tour. I'll invest in a tripod too, so you don't have this shaking. Okay guys, I'll come back if anything else happens. And the video shut off on me. So we're just trying to see, he went in to see how deep the water is. He looks like a happy boy.
Maybe we should just boat across.
Is it deeper? Or? Well, I'll go find out what he's got to tell me, and then if we cross, I'll go first, and then I'll film. And I'll film him coming behind us. Okay, guys. Hopefully you can hear me, but this is what we got across. So my buddy's going to record me with his phone, see if I make it across, and then I'm going to film him with this camera when he tries to cross. This might get wet today. We'll see. Okay, I'll check back in with you in a minute. Okay, here guys, I got my brand new shoes soaking wet just for the video. So here we have Captain ATV in his marvelous helmet trying to cross the river. This was good footage for the testing of the new trailer he got. It's supposed to float when it hits the water. We're going to see if it floats. You might have wanted to flip this whole assembly upside down to get through. So we made it through, guys. Dorky helmets and all. So, Rob here, and I got nothing to say. I'm gonna edit that part out.
It's Rob.
It's Rob. We went out for some R&R this weekend. Had some good times. So this is all we were worried about getting back out because we got a lot of rain there the last couple days. And again, we were here last weekend. Keep looking at the stupid flip screen instead of the camera. We were here last weekend and we drove across that. There was almost no water at all. We were on the riverbed. Anyhow, I'll let you go, guys, and get back to you if anything else happens. Hey guys, so we made it back to the trucks. Everything's fine. We had a great weekend. The crossing went okay. So you'll probably see that before this because this is the end of the video. But we're gonna unload everything, get packed up, and I'm heading back to Powassan. So thanks for tagging along. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, please. We're gonna have a lot more videos coming out soon. Okay? Thanks, talk to you later. Oh, and the trailer he got was a real success. So I might be picking one up. We'll see. How about I start that fucking thing over again?